Hey y'all, it's Lillian Rose, the lady behind the locks. I guess you guys are coming with me today with one of my traveling clients. Yeah, I'm not in the barbershop today. Unfortunately, you do see that his head goes in and out the shot, unfortunately, because he keeps falling asleep. But anyway. So the style that you see me recreating here is mohawk. Not only is because of this thinner spot at the top, but he does work in correction, so he can't really have his hair loose. It's actually very long, so he has enough trouble with it being long, let alone just having it loose. Anyway, so with that being said, every thinning spot is created differently, right? You might have one that's a little bit thin on the left, one that's a little bit more thin on the right. When you recreate a style, you have to customize it to your client's scalp of how it lays. Now, it might not be perfect, but it should be able to at least kind of cover up to the naked eye. So if he it was to put this in a ponytail or just have it down, he wouldn't have not have any type of issue. So come on, come see it, girl. Let me get you together.